Hello my cutie pies, welcome back to another interesting vowel session where we are learning long and short sound words. So today it's the turn of a new vowel I. So welcome to Learn Forward where we are going to learn I sound words from Phonics Skillbook, from Hi Kids, Feather Cap. So first thing first, take out your notebooks, take out your pencil, eraser, water bottle and sit down very quietly. So let's start this chapter. So now, today is the turn of I. So every time before starting the vowel, the new vowel, we do the quick revision of what are vowels and consonants. So there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. They are short sound words, long sound words. So what is the sound of I? I. Short. Say it with me. I. What is the sound of I? I. So when it's a short sound word, so the I takes out its sound. I. I. And there's only single vowel. So it takes out its sound and there's only a single vowel. But in long sound words, long I sound words, there are going to be 2 vowels. The first one does the talking and the other one stays shh, quiet. It's silent, sleeping, it feels sleepy. And the first one does not take out its sound. It takes its own name. Supposingly, I and O comes together or I and E comes together. So I will not take out its sound. It will be called I only. It will take its own name. What's the name of I? I. And what's the sound of I? E. I, its name, and E, its sound. So when 2 vowels come together in long sound words, so the vowel will not take out its sound. It will take its own name, and the other vowel will stay quiet, and the word will end up with the consonant sound. So let's start this chapter. Now I sound word, short I sound words. Now I and B. What is the sound of I? I, B, ib. What does, when we join I and B, what comes out? Ib. Because I has a sound I, B, ib. All right. So we will do a quick revision of I sound words. N, ib, nib. R, ib, rib. First of all, you have to keep this in your mind. Ib. I plus B, I, B, ib. R, ib, rib. L, ib, lib. S, ib, sib. B, ib, babe. Now I plus P, I, P, ip, 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 sip, h, ip, hip, d, ip, dip, t, ip, tip, l, ip, lip. Now come to the next one. I plus T, I, t, it, b, I, t, b, I, t, b, it, bit, it, fit, it, hit, p, it, pit, k, it, kid. All right, so easy. Now I plus in, I plus n. What does it become? I, n, in, I, n, in, in. So b, in, bin. Keep this in your mind. In, fin, in, sin, t, in, tin, p, in, pin. Now, I plus G, I, g, ig. Keep this in your mind now. Ig, b, ig, big, d, ig, dig, p, ig, pig, w, ig, wig, ig, fig. So, we are done with short I sound words and they are very simple because we have already done A and E. Now, you know the rule, so it's very simple. Now, we come to long I sound words. We will now do long I sound words. Now, Again, I'll remind you the rule. I and E, there are two vowels in this. So, E, the second one will stay, shh, it will sleep. It will go off to sleep. Whether it's here or it's towards the end, or whether it's in the middle or it's in the end, the second vowel will stay quiet and the first one will not take out its sound. It will take its own name. What's the name of I? I. What's the name of I? I. So here I will sound only I. And the word will end up with a consonant sound. Now, D-I-N-E, dine. E is not making its sound. Only I is sounding, our I is taking its own name. Dine. It's ending up with a consonant sound. F-I-N-E, fine. M-I-N-E, mine. W-I-N-E, wine. L-I-N-E, line. H-I-D-E, hide. It's ending. I is taking out its own name. E is not taking out its name. E is silent. And the word is ending up with a consonant sound. Duh. Now, R-I-D-E, right. S-I-D-E, side. W-I-D-E, white. I hope you're understanding, children. E is the second vowel, does not make any sound. The first vowel takes its own name and the word ends with a consonant. Now, T-I-D-E, tight. F-I-L-E, F-I-L-E, file. M-I-L-E, mile. P-I-L-E, pile. T-I-L-E, tile. Say it with me. I'm hoping you all are repeating these words with me. Don't cheat. B-I-L-E, bile. M-I-T-E, might. L-I-T-E, light. R-I-T-E, right. S-I-T-E, sight. K-I-T-E, kite. Now move to the last one. D-I-V-E, dive. F-I-V-E, five. Give me a high five. H-I-V-E, hive. L-I-V-E, live. And the last one, R-I-V-E, R-I-V-E, rive. Clap for yourself. Now we can do it so easily because if you remember the rules, things are so simple. And what's the only way to remember the rule is to do enough revision. Okay? So now let's move to the next exercise. Now, this one is so interesting. The cute, beautiful pictures, colorful pictures. Open your book and do it with me. Now, tick the words which have short I sound words and cross which have long I sound words. So, what are we supposed to do first? We have to choose. I will take a red pen. All right. Okay. Now, P-I-N, in pin. Here, I takes its sound and not its name. There's only a single vowel, so we'll tick it. Short I sound words. Now, T-I-N, tin, short I sound. Now, K-I-T-E, kite, a cute little kite looking so naughty. Now, two vowels are there, so it's a long I sound word, so we'll cross it. Now F-I-V-E, five, again two vowels are there, so it's a long I sound word. We are going to cross it. Now, H-I-V-E, hive. Two vowels are there. What is it? Long I sound word. We are going to cross it. Now, L-I-P, lip. I makes its own sound and not its own name. I takes a sound and not its name. Zip. Again, short I sound word. Wig. Is it a long sound word? No, it's the short I sound word. Done. Clap for yourself. Now, take a breath. Drink water. Come on, quickly drink water, all of you, so that you don't rush. All right? Now, coming to the next one. Write rhyming words for each long I sound words. So, I, V, E. There are two vowels. It's a long I sound words. I, E will stay silent. I will not take its sound. It will take its name. I will stay I. I've. So it's called I've. It's ending with a consonant sound. I've. So what can be the rhyming words for I've? Rhyming words are those words which sound similar. I've. Five. Right? Write down. Five. Children, it's difficult to write here, so I may do little mistakes. So you write down very carefully. All right? So now the rhyming words for I is five. What could be the another rhyming word? Hive. H-I-V-E. Hive. Now children, are you observing? Even I've started writing down beautifully. Now, I-D-E. I will take its name and E is silent. I'd. It's called I'd. Now, what could be the rhyming word? I'd. Right. What could be the rhyming word? Right. All right. And what else can be there? Tell me another rhyming word for I'd. Right. Hide. And the word could be hide. All right. Come on, children. Are you all writing it in your notebook? Show me. Show me. Yes. Now, I-N-E. Ein. I is taking its name. Ein. See, children, I'm again and again stressing on the rule so that never for a second you forget, because the more you'll remember, the more you'll be able to solve it and learn it and will be able to do it very easily. Now, ein. What could be the rhyming word? Dine. Dine. D-I-N-E. Dine. And dine. Ein. Dine. Fine. Fine. Yes. Fine. Okay. Now come to the last one. I-T-E. It. I will take its own name. It. Kite. Kite. And what could be the other one? Bite. It, kite, and bite. It, kite, and bite. So we are done with this exercise. Now let's move to the another one. So it's very simple. We have done it twice. So we have to choose its beautiful color, pink. Let's see if we have that color in our palette. So you all take out pink and orange color. So let me see what colors do I have in my palette. So first we have to choose highlighter, and we don't have pink color. What to do? I'll take then this color, all right, because I do not have pink color. But don't follow me, you have to choose pink color. Now the words which are long I sound words, we are going to color them pink. Now F-I-V-E, five, another long I sound word, so I am going to color it. I'm doing dark red, but you all do it pink. Okay, this exercise I'm going to do half of it, and half you have to do on your own. You have to do on your own. Okay, now sight, S-I-T-E, sight. Two vowels are there. So again we are going to color it red. Yes, keep doing, keep doing. Keep doing, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Done, 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 done. I'm going to color one more. Dice, pipe. I'll do color pipe, P-I-P-E, pipe. Two vowels are there, so I'm going to color it. Yes. Now rest of the words you have to, clouds you have to color on your own. Like dice. Again, two long I sound words. Now, tile, long I sound words. Kite, long I sound words. These you have to color on your own. So now I'm going to color few short I sound words, which we have to color orange since we don't have orange. So I'm choosing the color which is closest to orange, yellow, ochre. So let me identify the short I sound words. Ice. No, ice is not a short I sound word because there are two vowels. Though it's a short word, I-C-E, but there are two vowels. So it's a long I sound word. Now nib, na-iba, nib. So there's only one vowel. So I'm going to color it. It seems a big cloud. Yeah. I'm going to color 3. Rest you have to do on your own. Okay. Now, B-I-N, bin. Short I sound words. Yes. Do it with me. Come on, very good. Now we are going to do one more. I'm going to do fit. Color it with me. Yes. Yes, yes. Done. Clap for yourself. Now rest you have to do on your own. You have to identify short and long I sound words. Like short are hip, big, and rest of them are long. So color them in pink and orange color. All right, students. Now I am hoping you all are very seriously learning these sound words. And the more you practice, the more you'll become friendly with them and you'll be able to identify the word easily. So, only one alpha vowel sound word is left. So, till then, bye-bye, take care and do enough practice. Lots of love to you. Bye-bye and happy learning to you all. Bye-bye, take care.